डियर स्टूडेंट्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं लेक्चर नंबर 4 ऑफ दिस केमिकल काइनेटिक्स, दैट इज द इंटीग्रेटेड रेट इक्वेशंस। फर्स्ट is the integrated rate equation for zero order reaction and then the integrated rate equation for first order reaction. If you will check the various previous year papers from various competitive exams like NEET, JEE or AIMS, you will find a question from this topic. That means this is one of the most important topics from this chemical kinetics. Now जो integrated rate equations होते हैं what we calculate from these equations. For example, we start a reaction from a certain concentration. For example, आपके पास एक reaction है, we will start it with concentration C at T is equal to 0. After some time जो reactants होते हैं they are converted into products. After some time concentration of reactants will be different as compared to its initial concentration. That means जो C2 होगा concentration at time T, it will be different as compared to concentration at T is equal to 0. This concentration of reactants at different times, it is calculated from these integrated rate equations. Now in integrated rate equation यहाँ पे हम simple graphs पढ़ते हैं. For example, equation अगर ये आपने पढ़ा होगा equation of a straight line, y is equal to mx, another is y is equal to mx plus c, and third is y is equal to minus mx plus c. These all are the equations of a straight line. For example, the graph for this equation is, on plotting a graph between y and x, we will have a straight line through the origin. जो इसका slope होगा, slope that will be equal to m. Now the difference between these two equations is, यहाँ पे plus 0 है, that means intercept is equal to 0. This line will start from the origin. Now in this case intercept is not equal to 0 because यहाँ पे y is equal to mx plus c है. That means this line will not start from the origin. ये जो है this is termed as intercept. This intercept and is equal to c. यहाँ पे आप slope calculate कर सकते हैं, that is equal to tan theta. That will be equal to m. M is the slope in this case. M is the slope in this case. Now what is difference between these two equations? These two equations are almost the same. Plus c plus c. That means this equation, इसके लिए जो ग्राफ है that will not start from the origin. This portion will be termed as intercept. Now difference between these two equations. यहाँ पे जो the slope है that is positive. यहाँ पे जो slope है it will be minus. That means it will have the negative slope. Slope will be equal to minus m. Slope will be equal to minus m. These are the equations of straight lines and these are their corresponding graphs. This is y is equal to mx. इसका जो slope होगा that will be m. Y is equal to mx plus c. Slope is same, that is m, but it has the intercept that is equal to c. And in this case, जो इसका slope होगा that will be negative and c will be this intercept. Now let us start integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. Integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. For example, this is the general zero order reaction. dr divided by dt, that will be equal to k r power 0 because it is a zero order reaction. It is a zero order reaction. Now dr divided by dt जो है that will be equal to k because r raised to power 0 will be equal to 1, or we can write dr that will be equal to minus k dt. This is simple. जो dt है it is divided on this side, यहां से multiple हो जाएगा. Now integrate on both sides. Integrate on both sides. It will become dr that will be equal to integration of minus k dt. K is constant and is termed as rate constant. This will cancel out. जो r होगा that will be equal to minus k integration of dt. This will cancel out. जो r होगा r that will be simply equal to minus kt plus I naught. I naught is the integration constant. Now meaning of different terms. जो r है this is the concentration of reactants at time t. K is the rate constant I naught is the integration constant. I naught is the integration constant. Now you can calculate I naught from this equation. In equation first, at t is equal to 0. At t is equal to 0. जो यहाँ पे concentration of reactants होगा, that will be equal to initial concentration, that means R naught. Now put this in equation first. R के बदले आप लिख सकते हैं R naught. That will be equal to minus k multiplied by t is equal to 0 multiplied by 0 plus I naught. That means R naught, that will be equal to minus k into 0, that will be 0, that will be equal to I naught. Now use this in equation first. जो R होगा, R will be equal to R naught, R will be equal to minus kt plus I के बदले आप लिख सकते हैं R naught. This is the expression for integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. R naught जो है, this the meaning of different terms is, जो R naught है, this is the initial concentration of reactants. जो R है, this is the concentration of reactants at time t. K is rate constant. Now you can compare this equation with this. Y is equal to minus mx plus c. Y is equal to minus mx plus c. यहां पे जो y है, y के बदले आप लिख सकते हैं r. That means on plotting a graph between r and t, we will have a straight line equation. जो इसका slope है, that will be equal to negative, that is minus k. It will start from this point. जो ये portion होगा, this is termed as intercept. This is termed as intercept and is equal to r naught. जो यहाँ पे slope होगा, that will be equal to minus k. Minus k. This is the integrated rate equation for zero order reaction, and this is its corresponding graph. Now second point about this. For example, you start a reaction. This is the reactant R naught. It is converted into products. For example, you started with the 2 grams of reactants. After some time, जो reactants होते हैं, they are converted into products. At some time, 2 grams will be converted into 1 gram. That means जो concentration reactant की है, it is reduced to half. The time required by the reactants to reduce their concentration to half their initial concentration. This is termed as half-life time of a reaction. Thus, the definition of half-life time. Second point जो है, that is the half-life time. Half-life time. Half-life time. Half-life time is represented by T half or T 50%. T 50% means 50% of reactants are converted into the products. Half-life time, it is the time required by the reactants. Time required by the reactants to reduce their concentration. Time required by the reactants to reduce their concentration to half their initial concentration. This is termed as T half. It is the time required by the reactants to reduce their initial concentration to half their initial concentration. This is the half-life time of a reaction. Now you can calculate the half-life time from this equation. जो जनरल इक्वेशन है, that is R is equal to minus kt plus R naught. This is the equation for zero order reaction. Now calculation of T half. Calculation of T half for zero order reaction. Calculation of T half for zero order reaction. Now at T is equal to T half. T half is simply the time at which the concentration of reactants is reduced to half. जो R का वैल्यू होगा, that is, this is the concentration of reactants at time t. When t is equal to T half, जो R का वैल्यू होगा, that will be half its initial concentration. or half the initial concentration of reactants, that will be equal to R naught by 2. Use this in this equation. R के बदले आप लिख सकते हैं R naught by 2, that is equal to minus K. T के बदले लिख सकते हैं T1 by 2 plus R naught. We have to calculate T half. That means K T half, that will be equal to R naught minus R naught divided by 2. R naught minus R naught by 2 will be equal to R naught divided by 2. We have to calculate T half. T half will be equal to R naught divided by 2. यहां से जो K it is multiplied on this side, यहां से divide होगा. This is the expression for T half for zero order reaction. Now you can compare this equation. That means जो T half है that is equal to R naught into 1 by 2K. You can write it like this. Now you can compare this equation with this equation. That means on plotting a graph between T half and initial concentration, there will be the straight line through the origin. इसका जो intercept होगा that will be equal to 0, and जो इसका slope होगा that will be equal to m is equal to 1 by 2k. This is the slope. This is the slope of this equation between T half and R naught. Now from this you can calculate K. जो slope है that is equal to 1 by 2k. That means 2k is equal to 1 divided by slope. जो K होगा that will be equal to 1 divided by 2 multiplied by slope. Thus you can calculate rate constant for zero order reaction from this graph. Now if the reaction is 75% complete, that means T75. T75% means this is 75 divided by 100. That will be equal to 3 divided by 4. 25 3s are 25, 4s are 100. Or we can write T3 by 4. That means for the completion of 75% जो reaction it is completed, you can calculate T75% from this equation. Now what is R naught? R naught is the concentration of reactants at time T. You can calculate it from this general equation for zero order reaction. R is the concentration of reactants at time T. When T is equal to 75% or when T is equal to 3 by 4, that means 75% of the reactants are converted into products. What will be the value of R? जो R है, it is the concentration of reactants at time T. If 75% of reactants are converted into products. Now, जो R का value होगा amount of R, that means amount of reactants, that will be simply equal to 25%. 25% simply means 25 divided by 100. That will be equal to 1 by 4. That means जो R होगा, that will be equal to R naught divided by 4. This is the concentration of reactants at time T 75%. That means when 75% of reactants are converted into product, जो R का वैल्यू होगा that will be equal to R naught by 4. Now use this in equation. This जो R होगा इसके बदले आप लिख सकते हैं R naught by 4. That will be equal to minus K. T के बदले लिख सकते हैं 3 by 4 plus R naught. K T half T 3 by 4. That will be equal to R naught. यहाँ से plus R naught by 4. That will be minus R naught by 4. That is equal to 4 R naught. 4 times R naught minus R naught divided by 4. That will be equal to 3 R naught divided by 4. Thus, first is the equation of this zero order reaction, that is R, that is equal to minus KT plus R naught. This is the general equation. फिर हमने T half निकाला से T half is equal to R naught by 2K or 1 by 2K into R naught. Now फिर हमने निकाला T 75% or T 3 by 4. T 3 by 4 is equal to R naught 3 by 4 K or 3 by 4 K, 3 by 4 R naught by K. R naught by K. That means T half will be equal to R naught by 2K or 1 by 2 into R naught divided by K. जो T 3 by 4 होगा that is simply equal to 3 by 4 R naught by 4. Similarly you can calculate जो T 1 by 8 होगा that is simply equal to R naught divided by K 1 by 8. So you can write the general equation T x by y that is simply equal to x by y R naught by K. For example, if we have T half means जो x by y का वैल्यू होगा that will be 1 by 2. T 1 by 2 that will be equal to 1 by 2 R naught by K. This is this equation. Similarly, if we have T 3 by 4 that means then 75% of reaction is complete. That will be equal to 3 by 4 R naught by K. X by y के बदले लिख सकते हैं 3 by 4 that will be 3 by 4 R naught by K. This is this equation. Thus this becomes the general equation for time. Now last point from this equation. T 100%. That means when the reaction is 100% complete, what will be the rate equation or integrated rate equation for zero order reaction? जो general reaction है that is R is equal to minus KT plus R naught. Now at T is equal to T 100%. That means reaction is 100% complete. What will be the concentration of R? R का जो value होगा R, when whole of the reactant is converted into products, R will be equal to 0 because there will be no reactant left. Because all amount of reactant is converted into the product. Now from this equation you can calculate R is equal to 0, that is equal to KT minus KT plus R naught or K, this is T 100% that is equal to R naught, or we can calculate जो T 100% होगा that will be equal to R naught divided by K. This is all about integrated rate equation for zero order reaction. जो इसकी जनरल एक्सप्रेशन है that is R is equal to minus KT plus R naught. Meaning of different terms. जो R है this is the concentration of reactants at time T. जो K है this is rate constant. R naught is the initial concentration of reactants. Then after that हमने एक graph plot किया था that is on plotting a graph between. After that we plotted a graph between R and T, that is y is equal to minus mx plus c. जो इसका स्लोप होगा that will be negative, that is minus k. जो इसका इंटरसेप्ट होगा that is simply equal to R naught. This is first. फिर हमने T half निकाला. What is actually T half? It is the time required by the reactants to reduce their concentration to half their initial concentration. Now T 3 by 4 it is the time required by the reactants to complete. Now when the reaction is 75% complete. Thus at this point जो amount of reactants होगा that will be 25%. 25% is simply 1 by 4. फिर हमने T 3 by 4 निकाला that is equal to 3 by 4 R naught by K. Similarly आप T 1 by 8 के लिए निकाल सकते हैं. It is equation जो है इसके लिए that is 1 by 8 R naught by K. और in general we can write जो T x by y होगा that is equal to x divided by y R naught by K. If it is T half then instead of x by y you can write 1 by 2 R naught by K. This is this equation 1 by 2 R naught by K. Similarly T 3 by 4 will be 3 by 4 R naught by K. You can calculate T 1 by 8, T 1 by 16 etc. And last point is T 100%. When the reaction is 100% complete, जो reactants की concentration होगी that will be equal to 0. That will be equal to 0.